Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. I'm coming live to share this happy news with you that my mastery book has been updated with the latest questions and all the corrections have also been made. So the new copy of the mastery book will start to be couriered and delivered to all the students who are looking for it very soon. So if you want to subscribe or purchase the AFM Mastery book, which contains 350 plus past exam questions, study material questions, you please click on the link below. The speciality about this mastery book is that I have broken up into three parts. Part 1 concept, part 2 conceptual questions, part 3 advanced questions. So first you spend some time learning the concept. Now for example, if you're talking about this chapter of portfolio management, you can spend some time learning this chapter of portfolio management. Every concept when you learn, you can see the QR code. So let's say you're reading and if you're not understanding what's happening, you can always scan the QR code and you can play the video. That way you can do self-study also, friends. You don't need to attend any classes. You can save a lot of time and money also like that if you're more comfortable with self-reading and video lectures as such. 3, after we do this, we'll give you small conceptual questions so that you get a very good grip on the concept. And once the conceptual questions are done, towards the end, we'll have all the list of past examination questions, study material questions, RTP, MTP, all latest updated. Friends, these 350 questions, once you work out, you cover 100%. And that is exactly what comes in the examination also. Last exam, the exam before that is a clear-cut proof of the same thing, friends. So do subscribe to the link below and get your mastery book at the earliest. Thank you so much.